Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add scroll effects in Wix. Scroll effects are a fantastic way to make your website more engaging and visually appealing. They create a dynamic experience for your visitors as they explore your content. Wix provides a variety of built-in scroll animations for both elements and backgrounds. And the best part is, you don't need any coding knowledge to implement these captivating features. Let's dive in and discover how to transform your site. To begin, navigate to your Wix editor and select the element or section you want to animate. This could be an image, a text box, or an entire strip. Once selected, look for the Animations and Effects or Scroll Effects icon in the floating toolbar. Here, you'll find a range of options such as parallax, reveal, freeze, and fade. Parallax, for instance, creates a wonderful three-dimensional depth by making your background and foreground elements move at different speeds. After choosing an effect, you can customize its settings to perfectly match your vision. Wix provides options to adjust the intensity, speed, and animation area of your chosen effect. For example, with a fade in effect, you can control how quickly it appears. Some effects also allow you to set a direction, such as panning an image to the right or zooming in. Take your time to experiment with these settings to create a unique and cohesive visual experience for your visitors. It's important to remember that scroll effects are only visible when you preview your website or when it's live. The editor view does not fully display these dynamic animations. So, once you've applied an effect, click the preview button in the top right corner to see it in action. If needed, return to the editor to make any adjustments. When you are completely satisfied with how your scroll effects look, simply click Publish to make your stunning, animated website live for all your visitors to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.